In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find eSIM on iPhone 13. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular iPhone model or any other one, you can follow the instructions in this video to locate information about your eSIM and make sure that it is active and currently working. So to do this, first head over into the settings, and the main way to see the eSIMs that are currently registered is going to be under the cellular tab. So this is going to be either cellular or mobile data. So tap on the option here, and you will see the eSIMs that are currently registered to your device. If you see them here, this indicates that they are good to go and you don't have to set them up. But if you see the option to add an eSIM or convert to eSIM, then you will have to go through the setup process first. Usually this will be handled by your carrier. If you aren't sure or you don't see this option, I recommend contacting your carrier and they will be able to tell you if they support eSIMs and of course help you set them up. If your carrier does not support them and you don't see this option, it could indicate that you will not be able to use an eSIM on your particular device. Another way to confirm information about the eSIM is to go into the settings, access the general category instead, and then inside of About, when you go to General, you will scroll all the way down to find eSIM listed here. So you will have network, carrier, and then IMI number and ICC ID. You can copy these details if you want, and like I said before, all of them will be provided by your carrier. So if needed, contact them and they will give you the most up-to-date information regarding eSIMs for your region and device. And as long as you have the eSIM active under the cellular category, it means that you are good to go using an electronic SIM provided by your carrier. With all of that said, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. When I was checking the channel metrics the other day, I saw that 83% of you who watch our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us achieve the most up-to-date and most convenient solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.